Hey everyone, Linus here. Ever wished you could schedule WhatsApp messages in advance, like sending birthday wishes at midnight or reminding your team about a meeting without lifting a finger? Well, say goodbye to frantic last-minute texts, and hello to WhatsApp automation with Wasavi. This nifty app is about to become your new best friend. We've all been there, staring at our phones at 11:59 p.m., waiting to hit send on a birthday message, or scrambling to remind someone about something important because we totally forgot. It's stressful, but guess what? It doesn't have to be. Wasavi is here to save the day, and your sanity. It's like having a personal assistant for WhatsApp, taking care of those messages so you don't have to. No more late-night panics or forgotten reminders. In this digital age, our lives are busier than ever, so why not embrace the power of automation to make things a little easier? Let's dive into the world of Wasavi and see how it can revolutionize your WhatsApp experience. So, what exactly is Wasavi? In a nutshell, it's an app that lets you schedule WhatsApp messages in advance. Yep, you heard that right, schedule them. Write your message, set the date and time, and Wasavi takes care of the rest. But wait, there's more. Wasavi isn't just about scheduling one-off messages, it's packed with features that make it a total game-changer for WhatsApp power users and even casual users like yours truly. Think recurring messages for things like weekly team reminders or monthly client check-ins. You can even customize delays and formats to make your messages look and feel more personal. And the best part? Wasavi plays nicely with both regular WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business. So, whether you're using it for personal or professional reasons, Wasavi has got you covered. Alright, ready to experience the magic of Wasavi firsthand? Getting started is a breeze. Just head over to your phone's App Store. That's the Google Play Store for Android users and the App Store for iOS folks. And search for Wasavi. Once you've found it, it's got a sleek modern logo, you can't miss it. Go ahead and download and install the app. Don't worry, the installation process is super straightforward, just like any other app you're used to. Now fire up Wasavi and you'll be greeted with a simple, intuitive interface. Wasavi is designed with user-friendliness in mind, so even if you're not a tech whiz, you'll find your way around in no time. Before you can start scheduling messages, you'll need to grant Wasavi accessibility permission. This is essential for the app to work its magic with WhatsApp. But don't worry, it's a quick and easy process, and Wasavi guides you through it step by step. Section 4. Scheduling your first WhatsApp message, a step-by-step guide. Okay, let's get down to the good stuff. Scheduling your first WhatsApp message with Wasavi. Follow these simple steps and you'll be a scheduling pro in no time. Step 1. Open Wasavi and tap the plus button. This will bring up the message creation screen. Step 2. Choose your recipient. You can select from your WhatsApp contacts or manually enter a number. Step 3. Craft your message. Type in your message just like you would in WhatsApp. You can even add emojis to spice things up. Step 4. Set the date and time. Use the built-in calendar and clock picker to choose when you want your message to be sent. Want it to go out at midnight sharp? No problem. Step 5. Review and schedule. Give your message a final once-over to make sure everything looks good. Then hit that schedule button. Boom! Your message is now scheduled and ready to go. Section 5. Unlocking Wasavi's Superpowers Advanced Features. Ready to take your WhatsApp automation game to the next level? Wasavi's got a treasure trove of advanced features just waiting to be explored. Recurring messages. Need to send the same message regularly? Wasavi lets you set up recurring messages on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Perfect for those routine reminders. Custom delays. Want to add a touch of realism to your scheduled messages? Use the custom delay feature to introduce a random delay between a few seconds to a few minutes. It'll make your messages seem less robotic and more like you're actually typing them out in real time. Message formatting. Make your messages stand out with bold, italics, strike-throughs, and even code snippets. Wasavi supports all the standard WhatsApp formatting options. Multiple accounts. If you juggle multiple WhatsApp accounts, like a personal and a business account, Wasavi has you covered. You can seamlessly switch between accounts and schedule messages for each one. Section 6. Wasavi versus the competition. How does it stack up? Now you might be thinking, hey Linus, aren't there other apps out there that do the same thing? And you'd be right, there are a few other WhatsApp scheduling apps like Skedit and Autoresponder for WhatsApp. So, how does Wasavi compare? Well, for starters, it's incredibly user-friendly. The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, even for tech beginners. Wasavi also boasts a robust set of features, including those advanced options we talked about earlier. And let's not forget about its seamless integration with both WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business. While other apps might have their own strengths, Wasavi's winning combination of user-friendliness, a comprehensive feature set, and broad compatibility makes it a top contender in the WhatsApp automation arena. Section 7. Level up your WhatsApp game with Wasavi. There you have it, folks. A deep dive into the world of WhatsApp automation with Wasavi. From scheduling birthday wishes to automating business reminders, this nifty app has the power to transform the way you use WhatsApp. So why wait? Ditch the stress of last-minute messages and forgotten reminders. Embrace the power of automation with Wasavi and reclaim your time and peace of mind. Trust me, once you experience the convenience and efficiency of scheduled WhatsApp messages, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Until next time, stay productive and keep those messages flowing.